Hey guys, this is a computer speed enthusiast. I am going to show you today how to overclock your RAM, because your RAM doesn't come when you get your RAM, it doesn't come overclocked. You have to overclock it yourself. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to go into frequency and voltage control, and you want to go down to memory feature first. And basically, it's going to be, at first, you're going to be at 1067 megahertz. That would be 2:8 would be the ratio. And depending on what your manufacturer says your memory can do, my memory says it can do 1600 megahertz, which is 212. And it'll give you specific timings, which are, for mine, it's 7, 7, 7, 20. And then I have to put 2T because that's the only thing that'll work with mine for some reason. But that's what you do in the memory feature. And you want to go to voltage control also, and you want to go down to dim voltage, and you want to put it up to whatever your manufacturer says that your RAM can do. Mine is 1.65, and with these new Core i7s, they'll only really take 1.65 anyways. So that's a good thing. And I don't really have an overclock right now. I'll do a later video on overclocking. But basically, that's how you overclock your RAM. Talk to you guys later.